press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
Hi students, welcome back to your English class. We are going to do a little bit of exercise on articles and prepositions. I'm sure you must have already understood what articles are and what prepositions are. Today we'll see how these questions will be framed in the exam point of view and for your better understanding as well. So what I've put behind me are 3 exercises which will again continue after we solve them. We'll write a few more so that you get a better idea of how it will really come for you. So I told you when I had done the class, it's going to come for 4 marks. Articles and prepositions will be clubbed together. Now your question will come like this. Fill in the blanks with the appropriate articles and prepositions given in the brackets. Now this is an example, the first one, okay, second one and the third one. I've written 3 for you here. These are in the brackets, okay. In the brackets you're going to get articles and prepositions. What you have to do is you have to just fill it there and write the entire paragraph, okay, rewrite the entire paragraph. It is better if you write the entire paragraph in your answer sheet, or in case you are not writing it, please write it properly so that the evaluator finds it easy to evaluate. Alright, now these examples that I am laying down for you are from model question papers. So earlier previous model question papers set by different districts and they have been clubbed into a book together. I have that book and from that book we are going to solve these problems for you. Alright, now we will begin with the first one. What I want you to keep in mind is I have emphasized on you reading the textbook, because what you are going to read here are extracts from your lessons. Just simply pick one paragraph from the lesson which contains articles and prepositions and lay down in the question paper. So if you are given a keen observation here to what sentences are written, these are all from your different lessons that are there. Let's begin. Let's see this first one, okay, don't get confused, this is the first one, second one begins here, third one begins there. Don't get confused with what I have written down for you. I entered a crowded restaurant. Now this is from Oru Manushan. I ate a full meal, okay, I told you the answer. Yet, see here, a, to, an, of and the. How many blanks do you have? 1, 2, 3 and 4 blanks. 5 are given. 1 is there to confuse you. So you must be aware of where you have to use which article or prepositions in that place. Alright, I entered, what is it? It's a consonant here. I entered a crowded restaurant. So a is over. Okay, don't mark anything on the question paper, yet you must keep in mind. I ate a full meal, even see article is there, but they have not given you a blank. But I want you to understand because of the consonant sound here. Full. Okay, full meal consisting dash chapatis. Now you must add a preposition over here, consisting of chapatis. I ate a full meal consisting of chapatis. Now of is over. Dash bill came dash 11 annas. So again you are beginning the sentence because there is a full stop over here. When you begin the sentence, what are you supposed to write? The bill, you may note down if you want these questions for practice. You can write as I have written it down. The bill came, what is remaining? To an is remaining. The bill came an 11 annas. Can you write an 11 annas? Even though there is a vowel there, you are not supposed to put an. See, this is the confusion that is given for you. This is where you are going to get confused. Just because there is a vowel there, don't add an. See how you are going to frame the sentence. The bill came to 11 annas, not the bill came and 11 annas. Okay, so an is not used here. Bill came to 11 annas. This was when that person went into the restaurant and his pocket was stolen, isn't it? His purse was stolen. That is the extract that is given here. So I told you, see, this one thing is given to confuse you, because right here you are going to confuse because of the vowel there. Alright. Moving on to the second one. Now Krishna is the example around the medicinal creeper. Krishna knew. Okay. What is there here? Of, a, to, and, over, the. Krishna knew dash Malayali sadhu. Krishna knew a Malayali sadhu. So a is over. This godman had treated Krishna on, because there is a vowel, on an earlier occasion. On an earlier here, earlier occasion, where Krishna had started developing boils all dash his body. So what is remaining here? Of, to, over, the. Krishna knew a Malayali sadhu. This godman had treated Krishna on an earlier occasion where Krishna had started developing boils all over his body. So over is done. Over his body. The sadhu had given him the bark dash some tree, of some tree. Done? Of some tree. So to and the gets cancelled. First see how many blanks are there. Then see where you can add these things. Then see how many options are given. One option will always be given extra to confuse you. So read it again. Krishna knew a Malayali sadhu. This godman had treated Krishna on an earlier occasion when Krishna had started developing boils all over his body. This sadhu, the sadhu had given him the bark of some tree. Now exactly picked from your textbook. Can you figure it out? Exactly picked. Alright, we'll move to the third one and then we'll write few more. On hearing this is from Gentleman of the Jungle. On hearing this, okay, what are the options? A, in, of, the. How many blanks? 1, 2, 3, 4. Exactly 4 blanks. Okay. On hearing this dash elephant. What elephant? See the vowel sound there? The elephant. The elephant who was one of the high ministers dash the jungle kingdom. Where was he the highest minister? In the jungle kingdom. He is there inside, isn't it? In the jungle kingdom. So in is over. Alright. Replied in dash soothing voice and said. Replied in what? Replied in a soothing voice and said, my lord, there is no disturbance. There is no disturbance of the peace in your kingdom. Okay, so do you get how to frame it? We will see few more examples. See this again. On hearing this, the elephant who was one of the high ministers in the jungle kingdom replied in a soothing voice and said, my lord, there is no disturbance of the peace in your kingdom. Alright. Okay, we will do a few more examples. These are also from other model question papers that are there. I want you to understand. Understanding is important. Okay, then you may, even if you write these exercises, not sure that only these exercises will come. But understanding the concept is much better than rote learning it. Alright, we will see a few more examples. Why I give these exercises to you is so that at least you have some practice. You have something in hand and don't see the question paper all of a sudden, so that you know how it's going to come. You will be prepared. The mind has to be prepared, isn't it? We'll work out all exercises like this one by one. What is there in your workbook? I want you to work it out. I'll give you certain extra other examples so that you know them better. Alright, we'll write the fourth one. This is from Frederick Douglass. Frederick Douglass was, if you want to write along with me, please write. Slave by birth. He was separated dash his mother when he was dash infant. Alright, full stop. After that, he had seen his mother only dash night. Now I've told you where you have to use, what you have to use before night. Try to recall before I write. Okay. The options are, before I write anything else, try to recall it. The options are at, and, from, okay, the. That is the fourth one. Next, the fifth one. Mara had gone dash the forest. Mara had gone dash the forest to bring some bamboo shoots home. Alright, dash his hands, thrust through the bamboo. Sorry. Thrust, okay. Thrust through the bamboo cane. When he was cutting, dash shoot. He accidentally cut his hand. The sharp sickle had apparently cut dash artery. So the options are with the, to, and a. Okay, with, to, and the. All right, we'll write one more. Okay. The sixth one, the narrator, Oru Manushan. The narrator slept all day and woke up dash for dash the evening, dash for dash the evening. He did so to save, dash expense of drinking tea or eating the noon meal. He came out and entered dash crowded restaurant. All right, the options are in, a, at, and the. All right, we'll do this and then we'll do the rest of them. All right. Frederick Douglass, okay, see the options here, at, and, from, a, the. Frederick Douglass was dash slave by birth. Frederick Douglass was a slave by birth, consonant. He was separated dash his mother. He was separated dash his mother from his mother. Okay, when he was dash infant. See the vowel there? Infant. And when he was an infant. Then after that he had seen his mother only dash night. Now I have given you at, on, in table. You know where you have to use in, on, at. At is always used for night. So at night. Never forget this. In the evening, in the morning, in the afternoon, but at night. So at is over. The is not there. Next, Mara story. Mara had, where is the option? Okay, options are here, with, the, to, and a. Mara had gone dash the forest to bring some bamboo shoots home. First read the entire sentence. Just by reading one part of the sentence, don't figure out the options. Read the sentence, whole sentence first. Mara had gone dash the forest. Mara had gone to the forest to bring some bamboo shoots home. Dash his hands thrust through the bamboo cane when he was cutting dash shoots. Dash shoots, okay. Dash his hands. Okay. All right, just a second. I think I wrote the sentence wrong. Just a second. Okay, dash his hands thrust through the bamboo cane when he was okay, it should be he here. Alright, now it's right. It should be there. Now, dash his hands, he thrust through the bamboo cane when he was cutting dash shoots. Here, with his hands. The he was missing there. With his hands, he thrust through the bamboo cane when he was cutting dash shoots. What is that? The shoots. He accidentally cut his hand. The sharp sickle had apparently cut an artery. A vowel there. An artery is extra. An artery. Alright, moving on. The narrator slept all day and woke up, see here, in, at and the. Slept all day and woke up at 4. Remember the table at, on, in, at is over. At 4 dash the evening. In the evening, in the morning, in the afternoon, at night. So, in. In is over, in the evening. He did so to save what? Save the expense of drinking tea or eating the noon meal. Correct? He came out and entered a crowded restaurant. Why a? Because the consonant is there. A crowded restaurant. I hope you are figuring it out how to write this. Possibly we can see few more examples, alright, and then we can wind up. Okay, just a second, wait. Okay, we'll write few more examples. Few more will work out and then we can wind up. By then I am sure you have some idea of how to place what and where. With this you must get thorough with articles and prepositions. Alright? Don't only focus on the exam point of view, but articles and prepositions are our day-to-day communication. You must remember them, come what may. Every day I had told you to observe, isn't it? Whenever you speak, you do use articles and prepositions. Alright, this seventh one. Mara noticed, this is from Watchman of the Lake. Mara noticed dash man fishing in the lake. Fishing in the lake, alright? Come on, you can write with me or just observe what's given. He told dash man that it was a sacred place and no one was allowed to fish. Fish there. He warned him that if he saw him again, dash the rod and hook, he would push him dash the water. Now options are the, with, for, a. Now till I write the next question, I want you to solve this. Solve it by yourself, then you can cross check with your answers as I do it. Okay. The eighth one. This is Gentleman of Verona. One of the two boys had worn dash jersey and cut off khaki pants. Cut off khaki pants, dash other, dash shortened, army tunic, gathered, dash loose folds about his skinny frame. Options on the in. Alright, let's solve this and we'll see what you have to do. Now what are the options here in the first one? The, with, for, over here. Okay. We have how many blanks? 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, 4 in 4. Mara noticed dash man fishing in the lake. Mara noticed a man fishing in the lake. He told dash man that it was a sacred place as no one was allowed to fish there. He told the man, now here it is specific. He noticed a man, alright. He noticed one among them. Here he is specifically telling the man that it was a sacred place, isn't it? So, because that is addressed to that man properly. He warned him that if he saw him again, dash the rod and hook, he would push him dash into the water. Saw him again with the rod and hook, he would push him dash. Okay. Alright. There is an option mistake. Okay. Add one more option. Into. He warned him that if he saw him again with the rod and the hook, he would push him into the water. There is extra. Alright. Okay, the man that he was a sacred place, he warned him that if he saw him again with the rod and the hook, he would push him into the water. Yes, alright. Now, that option you add there. One of the two boys had worn dash jersey. See the option on the in. One of the boys, not both the boys, one of the two boys had worn dash jersey and cut off khaki pants. So what must be done? So one of the two boys had worn a jersey and cut off khaki pants. The dash other dash shortened tunic gathered in dash loose folds in a skinny frame. All right. A jersey and cut of khaki pants. The other on shortened army tunic gathered in loose folds. Yes. Just a second. Cut off khaki pants. Okay. The other on a shortened army tunic gathered in loose folds about his skinny frame. Yes, right. Just wait. Khaki pants on the other, the shortened army tunic gathered in long folds. Okay. Cut off khaki pants. The other or on the other, on other. Okay, the other on a shortened army, correct. No problem. That's right. One of the two boys had worn a jersey and cut off khaki pants. The other on shortened army tunic gathered in loose folds about his skinny frame. It's right. I got confused because it's too near for me to see. All right. Okay. So I think this much was enough for you to understand the exercises, kind of exercises that come. So this is a 4-mark question for you, both articles and prepositions together. You will have it in brackets, just place it in places there and seek the right sentence. Now, if you want more practices, look up to the internet. You will have n number of questions that are coming. Just type exercises on articles and prepositions. You will have n number of them. The search result will be so much that you will have no time to finish all of them. At least click one, English grammar or something like that, and then work out. In case you have to understand it more, in case you have not followed what is here, you would like to work it out on your own and then figure it out. Look for places where they give you answers so that you can cross check your answers. Now that we cannot meet each other, now that we are not in, we cannot physically be present together, we have to find ways to learn, isn't it? I can tell it to you, you can listen to me, we cannot meet each other now. So by the time we meet, you will have finished an entire whole lot of portion that is there. So for that reason, I want you to go to the internet, type exercises on articles and prepositions and seek a search page where you get answers along with it so that you can cross check. I want you to practice it before we do something else in grammar and then again move on to exercises like this. We'll always do like this, we'll learn something, we'll do an exercise so that you understand better. Alright, thank you very much students for listening. I want you to keep practicing.